just having all the systems that we do now, it's a huge improvement. Just having moving maps, just having all the digital systems, being able to have all the communications is leaps and bounds ahead of what we have. So it's good to be a part of that because I get to make my influence to make sure we get it done right.
Cockpit we're getting is absolutely fantastic. We are enhancing the aviator's capability to accomplish his mission by putting this cockpit in there. This cockpit is going to be the best cockpit in the Army inventory by far. So we're taking the Lima model from being at the bottom of the bucket to the very top. This cockpit could very easily end up in a Lakota, a Chinook, a C-130, or an Air Force aircraft, or FVL, to be honest. So we have created a cockpit that value will live on and on and on, far beyond the life of the 60 Victor, which is fantastic.
I think the message of the day is that we snapped the chalk line when we were going to our first flight. We met that, right? So I talked to Dave. Dave said, I've been doing this for 20 years. First time I've ever seen an aircraft take off on the planned first flight.